Meaning of finance company.
Finance company.
Finance company.
Finance company.
Finance company. A finance company is a type of financial institution that provides loans, credit, and other financing services to individuals and businesses. These companies may also offer a range of other financial products, such as investment services, insurance, and financial planning advice. Finance companies typically make profits by charging interest and fees on the loans and other services they provide. Some finance companies may specialize in certain types of loans or financial products, such as auto loans or mortgages. Overall, finance companies play an important role in providing access to credit and financial services for individuals and businesses.